Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel and happy new year. I know this is officially not my first video of 2022, but this is the first video that I film for 2022. So once again, happy new year. I've been out of town, kind of in and out for the past couple of weeks, and I had some PR boxes accumulate, and so I wanted to start the year by organizing things and putting things away. And I feel like step one is definitely getting all of the contents of these boxes out, and what better way to do that than to show you guys what I got. Besides this, I have ordered quite a few things that have come out so far, and so you will be seeing new product reviews coming up in future days, depending on when things get to me. I'm super excited to get into the boxes and to see what new products I got sent. So if you are excited for this video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get started. I have 6 boxes back here behind me. A couple of them feel very heavy, so I think they have quite a few products inside of them, and then there are 2 things that got to me in individual boxes and I opened, so I have them right here to show you, but I don't have the box for them. And one of them is this right here, which I'm super excited about. You guys know I love pharmacy products, and this right here is their new 10% niacinamide night mask. It says it smooths and refines pores. I am almost out of my Tatcha night cream, so this is actually perfect timing to try this one very soon. It actually feels really nice and rich on the back of my hand, so I'm super excited to get into it and try it. I wish I could tell you whether or not it smells like anything, but I currently don't have a sense of smell because I'm still recuperating from getting COVID, so I don't know if it smells like anything or not. I can't currently smell anything, so I apologize. And the other product I got sent that I took out of the box is this right here from Murad. It is a targeted wrinkle corrector. This right here is what the packaging looks like. It says to use AM and PM to get some out and massage it with the tip of it onto the target wrinkle where you want. Oh shit, I just took so much out. I squeezed it by mistake. So you're supposed to AM and PM just massage it with this applicator right here, right where the wrinkle is, and then just dab in excess product and repeat. I don't have a lot of wrinkles, but I do have a couple little lines around my smile, so I might put it there and see if I see a noticeable difference. I feel like that would be a good experiment to try. I'm definitely taking both of these to my bathroom, and I'm going to incorporate them into my routine, and I am super excited to try them. Now let's get to the boxes that I have not opened. So let's start with this one. And this one here is from Youth to the People. It's the Triple Peptide Plus Cactus Oasis Serum. It's going to plump, firm, and hydrate. Ooh, fun packaging. Okay, so this is the inside of it right here. And there's more than just one thing in here, so let me see what it is. Okay, so here is a facial serum. It says it's got 10% niacinamide, 3% panthenol, and upcycled blueberry seed oil. It refines pores, strengthens skin moisture barrier, and balances oil. So it is for a more moisturized, soothe, and supple skin. Also taking this to my bathroom, and I'm going to start using it at night. So much new skincare to try. I'm excited. And then this also came in there. Alrighty, so we got this inside this box. It says, unroot yourself from all the mind, surrender all your senses. Oh, it's incense. Okay, so this I guess is like an incense burner. I wonder if I could smell incense. That'll be the real test. Okay, I can smell some of that, but not everything. Ooh, I got so much incense. I'm definitely going to be using this. I'm going to take it downstairs and see where I place it. So thank you so much, used to the people. Then I have this box right here from Amore Pacific, which I'm super excited to get into. I haven't had anything from Amore Pacific since I worked at Sephora, and I'm excited to see what this is. They sent over their vintage single essence extract, which I love essences, so I'm excited for this. I'm going to again take it to my bathroom. I feel like I'm getting a whole skincare routine out of these boxes. And then the main thing is this right here, which might be the new product. It is a vintage single extract ampule. This is what the bottle looks like right here. It says concentrated extract infused ampule that brightens skin's appearance, boosts hydration, and strengthens skin moisture barrier by arming it with the superpower of Camilla oil. Thank you so much, Amore Pacific. I'm definitely going to be trying it. Ooh, I'm excited. I wish I could smell things. Very, very liquidy. I thought it would feel like a serum, but it feels extremely liquidy. So much new skincare to try. It says that these two are a power duo. Okay, I waited for that to dry and now it feels like almost like an oil. This feels incredible. I believe that all of these products are already out, so I'm going to find the links to them and link them for you guys down below in case you guys are interested in any of this new skincare. The Amore Pacific serum has been what surprised me the most so far because it was super liquidy going on. I thought it was going to like immediately disappear on my skin, but it's left this really amazing hydration behind. It's like it left an oil residue behind, but like it doesn't look shiny or oily on my skin. My skin just feels like intensely hydrated. I'm so impressed by that. Okay, so like I said, the links are going to be down below to like everything I find. So let's move on to this big box right here. I did peek inside of it earlier, and this one was sent by Ofra Cosmetics, and I've never received anything from them before. So thank you so much for sending things over for me to try, and I could not believe the amount of product that I saw inside this box. So let's see. Just take a look right there, like that's insane. Okay, so we have the Verified Drama Proof Liquid Liner. Here's what it looks like. It has one of those brush tips rather than felt tip applicators. They also sent over their Don't Play Brow Set. It says Universal Sculpting Brow Gel with Long-Lasting Hold. I am all about some long-lasting hold on my eyebrows, so let me see. Alright, here's what that looks like. It looks like some sort of version of like the Brow Freeze, and then they also sent over their brush. Alrighty, here is a makeup sponge. Super C Ester Serum. This is what their serum looks like. I am super sensitive to vitamin C serum, so I'm going to put this one away to gift to somebody who can use it. Okay, here we have palettes. Oh, pretty. Okay, so this is a blush palette. Let's take the film off. This is beautiful. Absolutely love these. I can't wait to try them. Oh my god. And then let's see what the purple one is. Okay, so here's the other one. This is the Ofra and Samantha Marsh Life's a Draft palette. Cannot wait to try this. I've heard great things. This is so much fun. Thank you. Here's the Sam Squad Lip Gloss Trio. So 3 Ofra Cosmetics lip glosses. These are fabulous. Super glittery. Can't wait to try that lip gloss formula because I am super picky with my glosses. A daily micro exfoliating cleanser. This looks fun. I'm certainly giving this one a try as well. I think I just ran out of the cleanser I was using, so we'll see. Ofra's HD Volumizing Mascara. Here's another palette, and this one looks So stunning. It says, "Smile, you're beautiful." And here's what the inside looks like. I've always heard such amazing things about Ofra highlighters, and I've never had one, so I'm super excited to try this. This looks like it has blush, bronzer, eyeshadow, and highlighter all in one. Here is the Miami Spice lip set. They sent over so many products. Alright, here is another highlighter. I believe this is a breast cancer awareness highlighter. So beautiful. And this right here is the last thing on the box. It says Ofra Winter Wonderland Holiday Set. It looks like this comes with a blush, a gloss, and a little eyeshadow palette that looks super, super glowy. So that was everything that came in that huge Ofra box. So many new products to try. Wow. I think I want to do this one next because it feels pretty heavy and I have no idea what's in it at all. Alrighty, we have a box inside a box. Woo! This is beautiful. I think I know what it is now because I think I've seen this on their Instagram page and I'm excited. Alright, so I think I'm supposed to take this off and take down here off, and ta-da! Okay, I'm super excited to try this. So we have these ultra restorative body butter. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It's winter. I needed that so bad. Then we have the organic coconut melt, which I believe this is their usual coconut melt. They might have just like redone the packaging for this. I'm not sure. The exfoliating crush scrub and the pink souffle mask. I am super excited. Thank you so much, Kopari, for sending these over. I am going to be so nourished. Okay, I also have an Ipsy box. In the little baggie, we have a hydrating serum, hydrating lip gloss, ultra repair cream, which I love, professional light primer, and a little mascara. Then we also have a Shella dual liquid eyeliner in pearl, double eyeliner it says. Kimchi, I've heard of this brand, stage proof matte setting spray. Galactic sugar-free face scrub. We have a flat brush, a synthetic flat brush. So these are 3 sheet masks from the brand Huxley. It says it has mask oil and extract. Definitely the most excited to try these. I love sheet masks. And then back here we have this cute little thing, and this is from, can I open it? I can open it. There we go. This is from Ardell. So it is, ooh, it's like their holiday collection. We have some naked lashes, some faux mink lashes. I'm excited to put those on. These look super fun. They have jewels in them. Ardell Wispies, which are my favorite. Mascara primer and mascara, which I had no idea that Ardell had. So if you've tried these, let me know how you've liked them. And then in here I have some more super, super cute rhinestones. And then besides that, we have some candy canes that might have broken while they traveled, but there we go. Alrighty, and so that is it. That is the whole unboxing. That is everything I had waiting for me downstairs when I got back in town. I was out of town, then I came back for just a few days, and then I was out of town again, so it just kind of accumulated the last 2.5 weeks or so, and I could not wait to show you. If you've tried any of these products, let me know how you like them before. I will try and look for as many of them as I can find and link them for you in case you are interested in anything. I think the product that I am most excited to start using is this right here from Amore Pacific, because it just felt incredible in the back of my hand. Like, I was not expecting it to feel that way. I was expecting it to like completely disappear, and like the back of my hand still feels super supple and hydrated, which is a whole experience, okay? I have a huge mess to clean now, so I gotta go. But if you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't leave without subscribing. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Happy 2022 again, and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye!